Welcome to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. By default, WhatsApp should give you a notification to back up, but if it doesn't, you can manually do it. Open up your WhatsApp app and tap on the three lines on the top right, and then head over to settings. From there, you'll see an option for chats, which is the third option. Now in chats, you'll see an option for chat backup. You'll need to tap open it. Now before you back up, you'll need to add in a Google account. Tap on Google account and it will show you all the Google accounts that are available on your phones. And then simply select the Google account that you want to back up in. After the Google account has been added, now you can tap on backup. You can also back up to Google Drive, where you can see the chats in a folder. To do that, tap on backup to Google Drive. Tap on backup to Google Drive and choose one of these options. And again, you can tap on backup. As you can see, the messages now have been started to upload. It is 60 MB, so it shouldn't take a lot of time. After that is done, now whenever you uninstall WhatsApp and try to install it again, it will show you the backup option and you can retrieve all of the message backups in an instant.